Hi all, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to use primary key in order to make one column unique. We saw how to create table called purchase by using primary key. So we mentioned purchase ID as primary key. So what happened? We created one table and we inserted some data. Purchase ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we retrieved that data. So if you execute select star, you could see all the records are there. So purchase ID column is primary key. So it won't allow any value which is already there. And we saw if you try to insert a value with value purchase ID as 1, we will get error saying primary key violation or duplicate value won't be acceptable. Similarly, if you try to insert any other value which is already there, it won't accept. Now in this video, we are going to see how to use unique key. Instead of using primary key, we are going to use unique key to achieve the same task. So we will see how to use unique key instead of primary key. So we created a table called purchase with the purchase ID as primary key. Now we are going to create another table called purchase underscore u, and we are going to use unique instead of primary key. So we change primary key as unique key and we are going to create one table called purchase underscore u. So if you execute select create table purchase u, we will be creating a new table called unique key. So we don't need to mention unique key, we need to simply mention unique only. So we are going to create table called purchase underscore u with purchase ID as unique. Now we created new table called purchase u. So let us see the table. You could see there is a table called purchase u, and if you try to execute select star on top of that table, we won't get any data, we just created. Now let us see how we could insert some data. We are going to insert some data and we inserted one record, and if you execute select star from this table, you will get that record. So one row with the purchase ID 1 is there. Similarly, if you try to execute one more record with the purchase ID as 1, it will give error because purchase ID we marked as unique. So it won't allow purchase ID again value 1. So it's giving error. Similarly, if you create a table with the primary key as a one column, that also won't allow us to insert duplicate record. So what is the difference between primary key and unique key? Why we need to use either primary key or unique key? So if both are giving same result, why we need to use primary key and unique key? So that we will explain in the next video. In this video, we saw how to create a table with unique key. In the previous video, we saw how to use primary key. In this video, we saw how to use unique key. Both will give almost same result. In next video, we will explain what is the difference between unique key and primary key, and when we could use unique key and when we could use primary key. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.